Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and today we visit Solo Ristorante, which is located at 45 Amoy Street in Singapore. Italian-born Chef Simone Fraternali welcomes you to his elegant style of modern Italian cuisine. Having taken over the reins in March 2020, Chef Simone Fraternali is cooking irresistible combinations of his Italian cuisine made from classic recipes using modern techniques. A thin-sliced Seabass is much like ceviche. A winner with vegetarians, not so cheesy and full of flavour, spicy basil and Buffalo Mozzarella combination baked eggplant, the Melanzana Parmigiana. A touch of luxe can be found in the Wagyu carpaccio, a grade 5 Australian Wagyu beautifully crowned with the accompanying pickled artichokes articulated with the balsamic, sea salt and cracked pepper. The Tagliolini handcrafted pasta with sea urchin is prepared with tarragon and lemon zest. The Angus beef Gnocchi Ragu with Rosemary and Red Wine, and the Pappardelle homemade with slow braised pork ragu. Braised and grilled octopus is a sumptuous nod to Chef's hometown by the sea. An elegant plate of octopus braised in its own natural liquid with garlic, onion, bay leaf and white wine. It is served with a creamy orange-zest mash. Finished with a Toffee Yuzu and orange sorbet, or the Tortino, a coconut and dark chocolate lava cake. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.